Today my experiment is snowstorm in a jar. So you need a jar, glass jar, and Alka-Seltzer tablet, and vegetable oil or baby oil, white paint, and glitter. Let's start. So we need to pour into the jar. So I complete pouring the oil. Next, you need to get the water and white paint. Pouring the white paint. Mix it well. So I am pouring this white paint in this jar. So you need to pour a little bit glitter. You need to take Alka-Seltzer tablets, 4 pieces. Friends, look at this. In there, they got snowstorm in the jar. Oh wow! Friends, how is my experiment? If you like my experiments, please subscribe and like.